Population size. What is population? Population refers to the people who live in a specific area at a given time. What is population size? The number of people living in a specific area at a given time. Who are the demographers? They are the people who study the size, growth, composition, distribution, and social characteristics of population. What is demography? It is the study of population. What are the methods that demographers use in studying population? Using civil registrations of birth rates, death rates, marriages, divorces, age groups, level of education, religion, and ethnic groups. Using sample surveys of the society and studying them. Conducting a population census. So, what are the methods that demographers use in studying population? Number 1, using civil registrations of birth rates, death rates, marriages, divorces, age groups, level of education, religion, and ethnic groups. Number 2, using sample surveys of the society and studying them. Number 3, conducting a population census. Which is the most accurate method in giving specific details about the population? Population census. What is the population census? The total number of all people by age and with specific social and economic characteristics within a given area at a particular time. Define the birth rate. The number of children born each year. Define the death rate. The number of people who die each year. What is the most highly populated continent? Asia. List 5 of the most highly populated countries in Asia. India, China, Indonesia, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Population growth. What is population growth? It is the increase or decrease of the population. Define the population explosion. It is the rapid increase in the number of people over a short period of time. Explain the impacts on population growth if birth rates exceed death rates. The population growth will increase. If death rates exceed birth rates, the population growth will decrease. When birth rates and death rates are both equal, the population will have zero growth rate. What are the reasons behind the increase of population in the world? Technological improvements. The development of communication and transportation. How did technological improvements increase population growth? Technological improvements resulted in better health care and living condition, better food, medicine, and the use of vaccination. How did the development of communications and transportation increase the population growth? The development of communications and transportation enabled governments to evacuate their citizens in case of natural disasters and provide for their needs. Note, ملاحظة. The countries of Asia, Africa, and Latin America have large population growth rates. The countries of North America, Australia, and Europe have low population growth rates. Germany and Bulgaria have a decrease in their population growth rates. What are the positive and negative effects of a large population? Positive effects. A large population provides the country with a large workforce and a large number of consumers for the country's projects. A large population's negative effects are unemployment, famine, diseases, and poverty. Also, another negative effect of a large popularity is the inability of the country to provide certain services to all citizens, such as educational and medical ones, clean water, electricity, and housing. Define unemployment. It is the condition of having no job. Population distribution. Where do people live? Where does population size increase? People are concentrated in river valleys and plains where the soil is fertile, rainfall is plentiful, and climate is suitable. People are concentrated within 60 miles of the ocean coast where the climate is suitable. Many people live in places where natural resources are available. In which areas does the population size decrease? At center of continents, in hot and dry deserts, in extremely cold areas like Antarctica. What is the human factor that affects the distribution of population? Immigration, al-hijra. What is meant by immigration? Immigration is the movement of people from one place to another, either permanently or temporarily. What are the types of immigration? International immigration, immigration between countries, such as immigrating from Jordan to America. Internal immigration, immigration from a village to the city within the same country. Forced immigration is usually caused by war, political or religious discrimination, or natural disasters such as droughts, earthquakes, volcanoes, hurricanes, and floods. Voluntary immigration, immigration from the developing countries to the developed countries to work or study. Population density. The average number of people living in 1 square kilometer, and in countries it is at its highest in capitals. يعني الكثافة السكانية تكون أكثر شيء بالمدن الرئيسية بعواصم البلدان.